I hope screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, please turn on your video. So I think we have solved one numerical last time, isn't it? And for that, I think I gave you few examples, like
Yes, ma'am.
few formulae, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
just write those formulae once, and one more problem we are going to solve, which is given in your text. Okay. After that, few more problems I'll give you from the extra. Okay. Extra examples. You have to try to solve by yourself. Let me see whether you're able to do it or not. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go for it? Yeah. So Harshit, will you please turn on your camera? Yukta, your camera is still off.
Ma'am, I on it.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I on my camera.
No, I'm not able to see you at all.
Ma'am, I'll just leave the meeting and join again.
Yeah. Fine. No issues. But then you should be visible. Yeah. So the problem is what? See? Yeah. To make a saturated solution, please note down. To make a saturated solution, 36 grams of sodium chloride, sodium chloride means NaCl, okay? Is dissolved in 100 grams of water. Harshit, turn on your camera. Harshit, Yukta, still your camera is off. At 293 Kelvin. At 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at this temperature. At this temperature. So already we have discussed earlier, this temperature condition is given only for what? Saturated solution. Because saturated solution would be remain saturated at that particular temperature only. If you raise the temperature, if temperature condition would be increases, what happened? Saturated will be turned into unsaturated. Isn't it? Already we have discussed it or not? Yes, last time, last period. Clear? Yes or no? So this temperature condition will not affect on your formula at all. And do not get confused because of this the temperature condition. Your concentration would be, you have to, means like you have to calculate in the same manner how we have calculated in the previous problem, right? So first of all, you have to read the problem carefully. Whenever numerical is given, what you have to do? You have to read it carefully. See what is given. To make a saturated solution means they have given here saturated solution and hence temperature condition is mentioned. So this temperature is related to saturated solution. What they made? They have mixed 36 grams of sodium chloride and 100 grams of water. So what would be the solute and what would be the solvent in this? Yes, Harshit. Harshit, Come on, one by one, you are going to tell me,
Yeah,
okay?
ma'am.
Yeah. So, Harshit, can you tell me among this, what would be the solute and what would be the solvent?
Ma'am, the solute is
It is not visible at all to
salt.
me.
Ma'am,
You
one
turn on
minute.
your video, but then I am just able to see wall. How come?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, Pranav, you tell me what would be the solute.
Ma'am, I was absent this week, so can you tell?
You wasn't there last two period.
No,
Okay, fine. No issues. Who's the next? Sampath?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the solute is sodium chloride and solvent is water.
Yeah. What is the reason behind it? Because 36 gram of NaCl is given and 100 gram of water is given, right? So the less quantity is 36 gram and hence it would be what? Solute, isn't it? And 100 gram is water. So it will be what? Solvent,
Solvent.
right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And what else we know? Solution is made up by adding solute and solvent. So in given, what you're going to write here? In given, right? Mass of solute is equal to how much? 36 gram.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? And the next, mass of solvent, that is equal to how much? 100 gram. Yeah. And the mass of solution is equal to, what would be the formula? Mass of solution is equal to mass
Ma'am,
of
mass
solute
or solute by
plus
yes, ma'am.
mass of solvent.
Solute.
Correct? Means we have to add these both. Mass of solute and mass of solvent, when mixed together, when add together, you will get the mass of solution. Right? Yes or no? So those were not for them. Just I'm going to recapitulate. Suppose you take a beaker full of water or 100 gram of water here in a beaker and added the 36 gram of the NaCl, means sodium chloride or salt, you will get the mixture of these two. And this mixture is called as what? Salt solution. Isn't it? Salt is added into water. So it is what? Salt solution. Correct? Yes or no? So it is made by what? By addition of solute and solvent. So mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Clear? So it will be what? 36 plus 100 is equal to 136 gram. Clear? Yes? Mohammed Rayan, please turn on your video. Sampath, your video is off still.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone should turn on your video. Everyone should turn on your video. Jitendra. Jitendra. Fine. Okay, good. Now you can see we have a formula already we have discussed. That was what? Mass by mass percentage. Mass by mass mass by mass concentration percentage. Why I'm going to go for the mass by mass percentage? Why not the any other formula? Because we have learned mass by mass concentration percentage, mass by volume concentration percentage, and volume by volume concentration percentage. I have chosen mass by mass concentration percentage because they asked here to calculate concentration at this temperature. They don't say, didn't give me any sort of option like you have to calculate this only mass by mass percentage or mass by volume percentage or volume by volume percentage. Anything is mentioned in the problem? No. But then I have choose mass by mass percentage. Why? Because here mass of solute and mass of solvent is given. They haven't gave you any volume. Did they? No, right? All things are in grams, right? Your solute is also in gram and your solvent is also in gram. So your solution also in gram. So you have to take mass by mass concentration percentage. Mass by mass concentration percentage is equal to what? Mass of solute, right? upon mass of solution. And that need to be multiplied what? With 100. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yeah? So how it will be now? Don't forget this word, solution. Most of the time what happened, many students, they get confused. Instead of solution, they write solvent. Okay, solvent quantity is different and solution quantity is different. Solution means addition of solute and solvent. Correct? Right? So if you divide it by 100, your answer would be wrong. Isn't it? So what you have to do? You have to take mass of solute and divide it with the mass of solution. That this quantity which we have calculated here. Right? So write down here, mass by mass percentage concentration would be mass of solute 36 gram upon mass of solvent is 136, which we have calculated here, multiply by 100. Do this calculation and let me know the concentration. Pranav, please turn on your camera. Everyone should do this. Any one of you, I'm going to ask this calculation. This is simple calculation. All of you are aware how to do subtraction, addition, and this one, division. It's very simple. Three six zero zero divided by 136.
Ma'am, it's about
If I ask, then only you tell me.
okay.
Okay. If you really means eager to tell me, you can text me in chat box.
Okay, sure. Ma'am, it would be around 26.47%.
That's what I said. If you want to tell me, please text me in a chat box because others
Okay.
should not copy your answer. Let them do their calculation. Getting? Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Mohammed, what is the calculation?
I sent you the answer.
I didn't get your answer yet. Acha, acha, haan, yes. Okay. So whatever decimals you have calculated, that you need to check once. First two digits are okay. Last two digits are, I'm not sure about. Check it once, okay? Sampath, answer is correct. Even Yukta, your answer is correct. Jitendra, what are you doing? I really don't have interest to see decor of home. I would like to see your face, whether you're getting understanding or not. So please adjust your camera and show me your face. Rohit, your answer is still pending.
Ma'am, I'm solving it. I'm doing the division.
Okay, hurry up.
4, 6, 3, 7, 8.
How long it will take? Rohit,
Ma'am, I sent it to you.
263.1.
Yes,
Check
ma'am.
it once. Check it once. It won't be like that. Pranav. Okay, correct answer, Pranav. Okay. See, I'll use this side. Okay. I hope you might have copied all these things. So I'm going to remove. Fine. Now see, this thing would be your calculation 3600 upon 136. Simplify it. Which digit can divide it? Both. I think by 4, it will get division. Isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
4 nines are 36. So it will be 900. 4 threes are 12. And 4 fours are 16. Isn't it? Is it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So you get this simplification 900 upon 34. You can further divide it by 2 if you want. This will become 17. This will become 450. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 17 table, you are now, I think it's really very simple. You can write it down 17 table and can divide it. Your answer would be 17 twos are 34, right? 45 minus 34. How much? 1. Here, 1. Correct? Isn't it? It's right or wrong? Have you gone for this or not? I don't know whether you have solved in that manner or not. So 0 would be there. Then what would be 17 sixes? Come on, tell me.
Ma'am, 1 or
17
2?
What?
102, ma'am.
1,
102.
102. Okay. It will be 8. Reminder would be 8, right? So
Ma'am?
point become
Yes,
80.
ma'am.
Then further 17 fours are
Ma'am, 17. Ma'am,
sorry,
68.
68.
68. So again, you have to divide, subtract 68, whatever would be answer. Again, it will be get divided by 7. Check it once. You will get here 2, isn't it? 1. And again, here it will be 0. You have to divide it by 7. So whatever would be digit that would be less than 1. So that you need to ignore and you have to consider this digits only. So your answer would be 26.47%. Okay? Note it down. What you have to do, whatever like large calculation part would be there, you need to make it simple as much as you can. Okay, you have to means like convert it into the such a simple number which tables you are aware or which calculation you can do it in easy manner, and then you have to calculate it. Fine. Okay, so do we need any calculator for this? No, because we just converted into a simple manner. We converted into the tables which we knows. Yes, easily. Arshit, understood, beta?
Yeah, ma'am.
You are in in a mode. I don't know what you're thinking. Don't be, because when teacher is teaching, any teacher, not only me, you have to be completely attentive and ask your questions if any. Understood how to solve such kind of problems?
Yes.
Yeah. Anybody not understand? Let me know. If any one of you are not understand, ma'am, how to solve, I don't know. Please explain it again. Then if it is so, please let me know so I can take one more example and explain you thoroughly. Shall we go for the next problem then? Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Just a minute. Somebody has sent the message. Let me check. Yes, Pranav. Okay, solute and solvent you just wanted to know. So shall I revise it? Okay. In problem only you want to find it out how we have to find solute and solvent, or what is solute and what is solvent you wanted to know. You were not there, you said na last week. Both. Okay, fine. Wait a minute. So with example, I'll explain. Okay. So let me give an example. So other students will be work on it. Till that time, I can explain you that thing. Okay. Just give me a minute. Review question. Okay, write down 0.5 gram 0.5 gram of salt is dissolved in 25 gram of water. Twenty-five gram of water. Calculate the percentage amount calculate the percentage amount of salt in the solution. Such a simple question, isn't it? So Pranav, be attentive, see what I'm going to tell you. Here, read the problem first. 0.5 gram of salt is dissolved in what? 25 gram of water. Both quantities are given in what? Water. Jitendra, you gave me answer as well, but exactly 2% or you have calculated randomly? See, 0.5 gram of salt is dissolved in 25 gram of water. Both quantities are given in gram. You can check here, it is a gram, here also gram. They ask you to calculate what? Percentage amount. Percentage amount, as both are given in grams, you are going to calculate mass by mass percentage. Right? Mass by mass percentage, you're going to calculate. So which quantity is greater or larger in this? Smaller and larger, you need to differentiate. Sorry? Somebody speaking? Okay, fine. Few of you says 20 grams, some of you say 2 gram. We will check whether it is correct or not. Yukta, Pranav, please turn on your camera. Pranav, I'm explaining this for you. Your camera should be turned on. I don't know whether you're attentive or not.
Ma'am, I
Fine.
said grams by mistake. Could you check the answer?
Okay, fine. So both terms are in grams. So we are going to follow which formula? Mass by mass percentage, correct? Yes or no? Both terms are in grams. Given or not? So now here 0.5 gram and here it is 25 grams. So this would be As the small quantity 0.5 gram, this is what? Solute. Right? And 25 gram, as it is large quantity, this will be what? Solvent. Isn't it? And when solvent and solute mix, we will get what? Solution. Clear? Correct? So write down in given terms.
Yes.
Mass of solute. Mass of solute is equal to how much? 0.5 gram. Here. Mass of solvent is equal to how many? 25 gram. Now you have to calculate here what? Mass of solution. How are you going to calculate? Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. That is equal to 0.5 plus 25. That is 25.5 gram. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
ma'am.
So how many of you made mistake over here? Rohit, understanding? Pranav, Mohammed Rian,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sampar. Where you made mistake, understood or not? Many of you have made mistake. Yukta. Yes, Sampar? Didn't made. Your answer is correct. Fine. Harshit and Jitendra gave me correct answer. Rohit, then
Ma'am, but isn't
Jitendra's
the
earlier
mass by
answer.
mass concentration percentage that one?
Sorry.
Ma'am, it asked in percentage amount, right?
Yes, you have to calculate
So we can't
percentage.
directly calculate 0.5 by 25 into 100.
How come? That is not 25 won't be the solution. That is solvent.
Yes, ma'am.
We have already discussed it. Don't you take amount of solvent for the division. You have to take solution. Means solution is what? Solute plus solvent. Getting?
Ma'am, I sent you the answer.
There you made mistake, right? There you made mistake, correct? Understanding concepts might be clear. You
Yes,
might have
ma'am.
understand the things, but then what happened when you take the terms in wrong? Though you understand everything, though you know the formula, though you know the sequence, your answer would be wrong. Henceforth, keep it in your mind. Purposely, I gave you this problem. Now write down mass by mass percentage formula. Concentration percentage or percentage concentration, which will be mass of solute upon mass of solution. Don't get confused here. In previous problem only I said many students take the value of solvent here and made mistake. And same thing you have followed now. That need to be multiplied by 100. Do it. Here it is 0.5 upon 25.5 multiplied by 100. Yeah. What you will get over here?
Ma'am, we can directly multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. So we will get 5 by 225, 255.
Will you please speak a little like louder? I cannot hear you properly.
Ma'am, we can multiply 0.5 into 10 and 25.5 into 10 and also do.
Yeah, you can. No issues. Your answer should be okay. Calculation should not change.
Can you once check, ma'am?
19.6, it won't be there, beta Sampath. How come? How 19?
Ma'am, is my answer right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yukta, right? You're
Yes.
asking Yukta.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check your answer. Can you please retype it?
Okay, ma'am.
Let me check where you gave me answer. Sampath, check it once, beta.
I sent it to you.
Yeah, checking. The calculation is same, but then this point, decimal point where you give, that matters. Your answer would be this.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you are correct? Please check by yourself now. Yes. Yukta, your answer is 2. It's not correct. As it's near about 2, we can say it's nearly equal to 2. Okay. And it won't be exactly 2. It's 1.96. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. I need to show how to calculate this, or you can do it by yourself. This addition, so division, multiplication, I need to show you. Or can you do by yourself? Because you're grade 9 child, I hope you're able to do it. If I supposed to show, I won't mind. I can. That's fine. Hundred into 0.5 is equal to what?
50.
Ma'am, 50.
50 divided by
25.
25.5, right?
Ma'am, then we can multiply both the values with 10 and then it will become 500 by
Yes.
255.
250. Correct? Yes or no? 255 it should. 255, correct?
Correct, ma'am.
So I have to write it here in this manner. Very good. You can make it simple. This is 25.5. If you multiplied both by 10, you will get what? 500 upon 255.
255.
Now 252 is 100. Sorry, 500. 252 is 500. So as 5 is more, so your value is slightly less than 2. Means it will be 1.9 something,
Yes,
right? So you just go for it. Try and check in a division. That's it. In a simple way, you will get your answer. Need not to struggle a lot. Clear?
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a logical approach. In this way, you have to use your logic to calculate the answer. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Not only you, I just wanted to ask everybody. Yukta understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
1.96 something. So when we round it off, it becomes 1.97%.
Yeah, that's fine. That's
Yes,
fine. That small error can be accepted, not an issue. Sampath, understood. Jitendra, your video is off. Understood, beta? Jitendra? I have not received any comment from your side. Understood, not understood. Open your mic and speak up. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am.
Even I'm not able to see your face clearly. I told you adjust your camera. Here, Rohit, understood? This Ryan,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. So I hope all of you are clear about this. Shall I
Yes,
give you one more problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna erase it. Okay, fine. Write down. Very good. Fine. This is just something different problem. You'll understand it in a very well. Okay, fine, no issues. Yeah. A solution has been prepared. Question, write down. A solution has been prepared by mixing 5.6 ml of alcohol with 75 ml of water. Calculate the percentage by volume of alcohol in the solution. Write down given terms, guys. Somebody left a what? Pranav is not there, I guess.
Ma'am, volume by volume percentage is volume of solute by volume of solvent, right?
Yeah. Volume of solute upon volume of solution into
Solution, yes,
100.
ma'am.
So here see a solution has been prepared by mixing 5.6 ml of alcohol. So this is a volume of solute and 75 ml water. This is a volume of solvent, right? So you can calculate volume of solution by adding both these. You have a formula, mass percentage by volume, right? Calculate the, sorry, percentage by volume they asked you. Percentage by volume is equal to volume of solute upon volume of solution multiplied by 100. So volume of solution you can calculate, volume of solute is given, right? Put the values and calculate the terms. That's it. Such a simple way. But then don't you forget to take a volume of solution. Don't ever take volume of solvent. If you take volume of solvent, answer would be wrong. Understood? Write down given terms. Volume of solute is equal to how much? 5.6 ml. Next. Volume of solvent is equal to 75 ml. Volume of solution is equal to volume of solute plus volume of solvent. That is equal to 5.6 plus 75. That is equal to 80.6 ml. I hope this addition you can do, or I have to show how to add. I have to show how to add. No, no. Grade second child also can do this. If
Yes.
you don't know, Please write down the tens and the units below each other. You will get the answer. Proper addition.
Ma'am, I sent you my answer.
Yeah. Sampath, you have sent me answer, right? Answer is 6.94, you have said. Correct answer, because I have answer that is 6.95. It's almost same. A slight error we can understand.
Ma'am, but ma'am, 6.95 is after rounding off, but it goes like
Yeah,
6.
rounding up. Yes. Once you have round up, you will get 9.5.
Ma'am, so in exams, should we round off or leave it?
You have to round up.
Okay, ma'am.
That's a proper way. That's a proper way to write the answer for numerical.
Okay.
Okay. So now what? Percentage by
Ma'am,
volume.
even I sent you the answer. Can you check once is it right or wrong?
Yes, Yukta. Can you repeat it? Yeah, what you said?
Ma'am, can you also check my answer? I sent it to you.
Fine. Wait. Yeah, that's what I said. Your answer is also correct, 6.94. But then round it up. If next digit you have calculated and the next digit is more than 5, you round up and add 1 into the previous digit. So it becomes 6.95. Okay. Percentage by volume would be what now? Here. Volume of solute upon volume of solution multiplied by 100. So that is equal to how much? 5.6 divided by 80.6 into 100. Yeah, fine. Correct, Harshit. Who else not able to calculate? Not able to calculate. Anybody is there? And do not hesitate if you feel ashamed, like I can't calculate and how I can confirm, like that, confront that I am not able to understand. Don't you feel like that? See, here you're taking a knowledge, okay? And everybody is not perfect. You're coming here to learn something new. Open your mouth and ask any doubt, if any.
Okay.
Okay. If you're not understanding, if you're not able to calculate, speak up. Or else if you feel like that, please send me the message. I will read it. There I'll see. Okay. I will explain it. Don't worry. Even I won't disclose the name. Need not to be. Anyhow, we are coming here to take a knowledge. Rohit, answer is 4.95. Check the answer once.
6.95. I wrote. I
Okay.
calculated it, but I
Yeah,
wrote.
that's what you wrote, 4.95. So I wasn't confirmed. Then yes, if you are writing 6.95, then no. That's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Mohammed Rian, your answer is still not received. Are you able to do it or
Wait,
not?
yes, I did it.
Yeah,
I think
please
I
send
did.
me.
Just typed it there. I didn't send it.
Send me your answer.